behind the line in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
Over on the Blue Alliance, starting off strong with 3 notes scored already, and Citrus Circuits rushing to the center line, scoring the note they find there, back for another, and it looks like that one finds its mark as well. They clear out the notes prepared by own speaker 2. Enough for an impressive 7 notes scored and autonomous on the Blue Alliance, and 3 for red. And on that Blue Alliance, Pyromechanics working on filling up that amp already, and hitting that competition button, soon to add another, and start preparing to amplify. Back on red, control at the feet. They have a note of their own in front of their amp. Lining up, they get that scored as well. Also hitting that competition button, so the melody RP bonus will be easier to achieve. However, back on blue, they already have 2 notes scored in their amp, ready to amplify. 5507, firing into the speaker, 1678, doing the same. And blue does indeed amplify now. Citrus Circuits picking up another note there, scoring it as well. And now heading across field with Alliance partners Robotic Eagles. Citrus Circuits tossing a note back their way, and Robotic Eagles bringing it back to the speaker, lining up and preparing to score themselves. Back on red, however, Project 2 and 2 and 9470 each making a shot at the speaker, not quite finding their mark, but Control Alt Defeat has plenty of other notes to choose from. And meanwhile, their Alliance partners, Zero Tolerance, looks like they're playing some tough defense on the Blue Alliance, but with all 3 blue robots capable of scoring, it is difficult to keep up. And indeed, blue has amplified again. Robotic Eagles and Citrus each scoring, and Citrus already across field at source, tossing more notes their Alliance partners' way. And even though one amplification just ended, with another note in blue's amp from Pyromechanics, they are ready to amplify again as we hit 35 seconds on the match. Seems like Citrus will be working on that scoring, while their Alliance partners Robotic Eagles are already preparing for endgame. Back on red, they are prepared to amplify themselves. They do so in anticipation of 7137 shot, which finds its mark in red speaker. However, on blue, Robotic Eagles already up in the air with the note scored in the trap, and Citrus Circuits matching that as well. That is 2 blue robots each on stage with the trap note scored. 10 seconds left. It looks like Project 2 and 2 and Zero Tolerance on stage for red, trying to stay up in the air. 3 seconds left, and it seems like blue will finish with 1 more robot parked. Score of 102 to 37. Blue Alliance earning 4 ranking points as well, keeping Citrus at rank number 2. And now for another look at that match, let's send it over to our desk.
Strong showing from the Blue Alliance.